So today I'll be showing you how to open the Google Play Store on your Google TV streamer. Now you'll notice you do not have the actual Google Play Store app. There's nowhere you can click. So once in a while you might go to apps, or from the home page you can scroll down, and from the list of apps at the end you may see add apps. Okay, now even that does not open the Google Play Store. So there are two ways you can open the Google Play Store. The first method is to use the voice command. That's the easiest way to do it. So just press the microphone icon on your remote, open Google Play Store, open Google Play Store.
Okay.
And that is going to open the Google Play Store app. So here, as you can see, we have all the apps for Google TV. You have categories for entertainment, games, all that stuff. And then if you go to the top right, you can search, you can click on games. You can even go to your account and do things like manage apps and games. You can switch accounts. You can look at your settings like payments and subscriptions, parental controls, all that stuff, and even the option to automatically update apps at any time. Okay, so you can turn that on, or you can disable automatically update apps. Now, under manage apps and games, you can see one app has a pending update. You can look at the storage situation, and you can have a look at what's on this device, all the apps installed. So that's basically how to open the Google Play Store using the voice. Now, another way of doing this is to go to the home screen and then go to the top menu and go to settings. Under settings, scroll down and click on apps, select that, and then scroll and click on see all apps. And then if you scroll down even more, click on show system apps. And under system apps, if you scroll all the way to the G section, just keep scrolling until you get to G, because you're looking for the Google Play Store. Here we are, Google Play Store. You can click on it and then you can launch it from here. So those are the two ways of opening the Google Play Store on your Google TV streamer. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.